Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on a love for a favor. I'm so faded love.
I am super excited to be here again, and I know I have been off for a while. I was just going through a lot of stuff, so my laptop got bad. Like, my laptop is the god of my social media. Like, I can't do anything without my laptop. My DJing, I can't do shit. Sorry, I can't do anything, so it's getting fixed, sorting that out. But it just made me lose focus for some time like that, and I was like, nah, I have to get back to this. It has been a while. I have missed coming on here. I really have. Like, and I just got my hair done. Whenever I want to make my hair, I just like start thinking of different kind of styles I like, because I like different. I'm someone that wants to do everything. Like, so this, I told the lady I wanted to braid my hair, and I brought this locks along with it. I already attached it to make it very long. So when I brought it to her and told her that this is what I wanted to create, this is my idea, working magic. That's how we got this. You can see it's braid and locks. So today, guys, I'm gonna be taking you guys on a journey, and a get ready with me journey. I'm gonna be having conversations with you guys while I am getting ready with my look and everything. So stay tuned. Just want to say a big thank you to everyone who shared my video, liked and watched my last video, and definitely subscribe. You guys are my babies. Like, I really do love you. My hair is long though, like really long. And of course, music. We always begin with music. Music is my inspiration. Like, it helps me a lot to create a lot of different crazy looks, because first of all, I work with comfort. Like, if I'm creating anything I'm wearing, comfort is the main issue, because if you don't feel good in what you wear, like, you just be feeling somehow. There's a feeling when you know that you look fabulous and people stare at you, and you know that they're staring at you because you look fly. Not the one that you be thinking that, it's my zip torn. Let us get to this. Let's get ready. Okay, let's head over to the makeup. I'm just gonna be chatting with you guys alongside my makeup. I left my mascara at my friend's house, and I really need it right now, and I definitely can't come outside. I like that when I'm shooting a video that day, I'm like inside my house, nothing stresses me. I know that I make sure that I eat before I start my video, so I don't get hungry in the process or get tired or something like that. So like, I can't even go outside. I can't even get it. So it's just really annoying. I'm trying to think of the song that's gonna match my vibe right now. I am really happy to be shooting this video, because I've just been not myself. Like, I've been learning a lot of things recently and understanding myself and every other aspect of life. So it's like really challenging. So I have to be focused. I have to stick to what I want and be committed, and yeah, stuff like that. Let's get to it, guys. Wait, hold up. Please do subscribe so we head over to the makeup. Click that button right now. Hi guys, so before we get to it, for the past few days I ended up being under the sun for a long period of time, giving me this annoying obvious sunburn and chapped lips, and you can see some discoloration, but my skin is under recovery right now. That baby is getting itself back, so I had to shoot this video. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my appendix surgery story, how I knew that it was appendicitis. I told my mom about it, that I'm having some annoying kind of pains like that, and she was like, more kind of pains, and she told me that okay, she's gonna call the doctor for me tomorrow. The doctor came and ran some tests on me, and he said that it was appendix surgery, like appendicitis. I'm gonna need to go to a surgery to get it removed. I was like, okay, because everything I hear about surgery is like, I've been saying, nah, I ain't gonna do. I would not want to undergo surgery, because at one point in my life I wanted to be a doctor, and I was like, okay, let me see if I can actually be a doctor. Blood freaks me out, and I feel somehow when I'm seeing people like cut their skin and all this kind of stuff, and it's actually kind of like feel it, and I was like, nah fam, I can't be a doctor because all these things freaks me out, and if someone throws up beside me, I'll automatically throw up. So I was like, nah, I can't do this. So I've been having like those kind of thoughts about having surgery. This eye pencil is just crap. God, I've been sharpening for hours now, and it's just going short, and it's like, why are you doing this to me? I am back. Okay, so I said I've been having all this kind of annoying fear about surgery and stuff. Before the surgery, you're not supposed to actually eat anything. You're not supposed to eat anything because they're working on your stomach, so you're not supposed to eat. And I actually didn't eat anything sharp, or I think my mom gave me pap because I was not feeling fine. We went to the hospital. I was actually praying that I get a female doctor, and surprisingly it was a male. People normally die through the surgery, like because they're not awake or something like that. So they were like, I have to be awake during the process of the surgery. Then they like gave me injection on my spinal cord, like then my body was just getting numb. I couldn't feel anything, but I could kind of like feel some kind of things, like when he put the knife on me and started cutting me like this. Like, this is how the feeling was totally. I was like, I had to like close my eyes, and the doctor was like, are you sleeping? Is she sleeping? I was like, nah, I'm not sleeping. And the doctor just raised my 2 legs. I was like lying down on the bed, and the doctor just raised my two legs and just like choked one pipe. Like, you know where they chipped it from, so they just like chipped it in for me to be able to like pee and stuff like that. So, I can tell you, like, I actually threw up that pap that I ate, and it was so painful because it's on my stomach. That's why they did the surgery, and you know when you're throwing up, you're like squeezing your stomach while you throw up, so it's like, it was really painful. I was crying and I was throwing up. I was like, daddy. My friend is calling me. You do not know that you're interrupting my video. Sorry about that. So I was like throwing up and I was crying that it's so painful. Please, they should just make me sleep, that I can't take the pain anymore, that I just want to sleep, because I couldn't move my body. I was still numb, like, and I didn't even bathe. My sister was just cleaning up my body. I was like, please, they should just make me sleep, because I cannot, like, I seriously cannot take the pain. So please just make me sleep. The only part I liked about it was that I wasn't cleaning anything, I wasn't doing anything. So the doctor was not like, have I been with somebody recently? And my mom was just like outside. You see the way I answered that question so fast. I kind of put too much concealer on my brush. I'm always fond of doing my brows before I go out, so I just like comb it. I'm very fast at drawing my brows. I just like, and I just go. So that's what I did when I was going to the hospital. So after they did the surgery for me, my sister was like, sick people don't have brows. Sick people don't have brows. I was like, she not cleaned it. I was like, I wasn't even interested because I was just undergoing so much pain. Everybody was eating and having fun, but I couldn't eat. I was like, oh God, all I wanted to do was just sleep till I get well. Literally, that's all I wanted to do. I am mostly the one that gets sick in my house though. When I was younger, I broke my hand, and I broke it twice actually. How did I break it? Through playing. I was playing. I really love tattoos, so when it healed, I was like always opening my tummy because I was like, it looks like a tattoo is just really fine. My tongue, my brows.
You know, everyone has that moment when you're feeling so fly and your skin is looking so fresh, and an annoying zit just decides to pop up and kill your vibe. Mine is sunburn. The moment I'm feeling so fresh and feeling cool, and I just decide to step out for 2 seconds, my face reacts up, and it's so annoying. Like, sunburn, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Okay.
You can tell this is actually my favorite color, and this broke. Yeah, it broke. Okay, so now we head over to the outfit. I'm going to be showing you guys what outfit I wear and how I style it. The outfit time is my favorite. I wanted to fix lashes, but I didn't bring my lash glue. And my mascara, like I said earlier, I forgot it in my friend's house. So outfit time. The scar, it's so fine. That's why I like it. So this is the white t-shirt I'm going to be styling today. The hands are short.
So guys, on this long sleeve destruction, the only thing you need is just a pair of scissors and your idea, your imagination, and whatever you want to use to style it, and whatever style you have in mind. So this, I just cut the pieces of the long sleeve to make some designs. So I gotta do some Instagram shit right now, you know. Okay, so my dress is ready and my makeup is done and my hair is packed. So the next thing we're gonna do now is try that cloth, put that cloth on.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly.
My get ready with me style videos. Accessories is key, babes. Accessories is key. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I used to tie when I was in secondary school, but I don't even think I would remember how to do this anymore. And then if I knot my tie, like I leave it like throughout that week. Yes, I try to be careful as possible. It's horrible. About the background music, there's a studio in the house, so if you want to see more videos of how I style and recreate outfits, you can go on my Instagram. I posted some on my Instagram. And I think I did that surgery like 2017. Yeah, so I promise to be consistent now. I can't wait to be able to style this hair how I want, because I just made it, and it's not good to pack your hair immediately you braid it, because all your shit are gonna pull off. Bye guys, see you on my next video. Stay tuned. Bye.